3 things to consider before making hard decisions. There are decisions that are simple and easy to do. Decisions like what will you eat for breakfast, what will you wear for today, or will you like the photo of your office mate posted on social media? But there are also decisions that are difficult to do, like what course to take in college, will you marry your boyfriend or not, or will you migrate to another country or stay in your present job? Most difficult decisions have a long-term impact on our lives, though you can do it immediately. Every day you have to make a lot of decisions. How do we make the right and intelligent decisions, especially at work, in business, or in our lives? An American clergyman by the name of Dr. Robert Schuller has a very wonderful reminder for all of us. He said, "Never cut a tree down in the wintertime. Never make a negative decision in the low time. Never make your most important decisions when you are in your worst moods. Wait. Be patient. The storm will pass. The spring will come." Do you have an important decision to make in your job or business? Listen to this wise counsel. 1. Think hard. Major decisions should never be made on a whim. This should be carefully pondered upon. Study all aspects of the decision. Weigh the pros and cons. And as much as possible consult the experts and those that have experienced your situation. A decision that creates a huge impact on other people should be discussed and agreed upon. For example, if you are a family man and you are planning to work abroad, you should make a decision together with your family. You need to think through this decision with your spouse and children because they will be affected by this kind of major decision. Do not make a decision in haste. Think about the decision many times. 2. Pray hard. You do not need to make a decision on your own. Pray hard for your decision and ask God for His guidance and wisdom so you can make the right decision. This is what James 1 verse 5 says, "If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you." God's word is described as a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. You will not grope in the dark if you have prayed for God's guidance. 3. Don't be hard on yourself. There are instances that you have prayed for a decision but you realize at the end that the decision was not right. If the result of the decision was not the one you expected, refuse to blame yourself and other people. Don't be too hard on yourself. Learn from the mistake instead of blaming yourself. We should grow wiser with every decision that we make. Recall too that Christ has made you His own. That changes how you treat yourself when experience blunders in life and work. Are you making an important decision now? Think hard and pray hard. And in case your decision doesn't turn out well, don't be too hard on yourself. The wrong decision can be a good teacher so you will learn and grow.